people of South Africa, beautiful people of this country. Where do I even begin? I'm not sure if my head is showing, but anyway, I hope it does. So today's the 30th of last day of June, and I'm going to get myself an Apple Watch because I've always wanted to get one. So I just decided to start a vlog, on my journey to buying. And it's not a journey, but you get what I mean. I've wanted it for the longest of times. And so today I'm finally going to get it. So I'm going to be shooting a vlog. So I hope you guys watch it and you like it. So let's go. One thing that I also forgot to mention is that today was the day when we were supposed to fly out to Cape Town on a vacation. Well, for my friend's birthday. So I'm not on leave, but I was gonna work while not in the province or not at home. So those are the perks of working from home. You can literally work from anywhere. But Ndate president decided to close the country. But anyway, we're not there. So yeah, man, I'm chowing my vacation money by getting an Apple Watch. So I know, probably news that you didn't want to hear, but there it is. So I was gonna record you guys a very nice, beautiful vlog of working from home, but okay, guys, you'll have to wait. Like, I can't even do like a vlog of how I work from home because I work from my bed because it's comfortable. Like, I always feel like I'm punished when I have to sit on a chair. Like, sitting on a chair. Why? Oh my word, I forgot to vlog this morning. You'll have to bear with me because I'm literally running to the shops, right? So that's what's up. So I'm very excited. And I also need to do a little bit of like grocery shopping. Yes, and I'm not sure how my audio is, but Hassan, the footage is probably even bad, Marlene. But who cares? Let's get it. Okay, so I'm at the mall right now, so I don't think I'll have time to vlog because time is literally against me. I need to like quickly rush to the store because like there's really no time. I'm not gonna vlog, so I'll vlog when I get home and then when I'm doing my unboxing. So I hope you will enjoy that. So yes, the happy baby. Okay guys, I'm in the car. I've not left the mall yet, but I got my baby. So that's just about it. Now I need to drive home. Like, yay, great stuff. So I decided that I was going to take the Apple Watch SE Nike edition simply because I'm a very sporty person. Okay, did I say sporty? Okay, maybe not sporty, but I'm very like much into fitness, so I train a lot. So I saw that the Nike edition would be much more fitting simply because I also liked their bands. They rather have like holes and stuff, so they will give your wrist space to breathe, because if they're enclosed then you're gonna sweat, and you know what the drill is, and that's not what I wanted. So okay, so just gonna open up the watch and then we're just gonna see what's inside. I'm so excited. Okay, so yay. Oh, I like their packaging. It looks really, really cute. I don't know, now I'm sounding like an influencer. Okay, moving right along. So now I'm still opening the mini box that is inside the main box. So as you can see, that you get two straps that you can choose from. So in case if you've got a larger wrist, then at least you have a choice. As you can see, how I described those bands, they have like holes and stuff so that your whatever you are able to use, your wrist will be able to breathe through the wound. I'm kidding. So now the main box, that's where everything else is happening. Basically, so here we have the watch and stuff. So in the little box we have the instructions, or in terms of how to charge your watch and all of that. But yeah, I just saw the pictures. I did not read, and I'm sure I'm not the only person who never reads these instructions. So you can see we have the charger and the actual watch. Exciting. It's very nice. So it's the 40 millimeter screen size. So it comes in 40 millimeters, sorry, and also 44 millimeters. So as you can see, that is the charger, which is so weird because it doesn't come out. It doesn't come with their adapter. So, and as button charging and I don't know, like for me it's the audacity yobana bacimba I have the adapter at home. But anyway, as collab. So yeah, that's just about it. So I'm just gonna add on the straps on the watch. So I'm just gonna so I'll just use the smaller strap, I mean band, that's what they call it. So I'm just gonna take the shorter one because yeah, I don't have large wrists, so I'd like to think. And yeah, they're very easy to like put on. I didn't even read the instructions. I just assumed, the puzzles matched. So yeah, so I've just tried the watch on. It's upside down, and oh my god, yeah, basically it's upside down, but I'm just gonna fix it now. So I'm just gonna try to turn it on, and basically that's not the on button, but okay. Let's go up. Okay, so yay, finally found the on button, so it's on. Okay, so now the baby is charging, and so I'll just set it up and connect it to my phone and just do the whole shebang.